guys, welcome back for my IPSY April unzipping. And this month I have 3 bags to open. So some of you, most of you, if you're joined with IPSY, sometimes IPSY sends you random invites for you to send to your friends so they can get a free bag to try out. Well, I had like 15 or 20 invites and none of my friends wanted them. Like, I would send it to them and they would never claim it because they usually expire within 3 days, and I told them how to do it. If you cancel by the end of the month, they won't charge you anything. You'll get a free cute little bag, makeup inside, and they didn't want it. So I sent the invites to some friends, some people that asked me for invites. So I used 2 on myself because why not? No one else wanted them. I didn't want them to go to waste. I had one sent to my boyfriend's parents' house and one to my brother's house. And I customized both of them a little differently, but they ended up sending me the same stuff. But my IPSY, which I'll show you first, is real good. But the ones I got for free were the same, but I don't mind because some of the stuff was skincare, and I love skincare, so I don't mind 2 of the little things. Anyways, a lot of collabing. Well, this is my actual bag. This bag, I love it. I thought it'd be covered in butterflies, but I like this little gold thing. I like the zipper. I like the back. I didn't have any butterfly shirts, but flowers are close. And this month's theme was social butterfly. And it says, life's too short and your makeup looks too good to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. Instead, we challenge you to be your best self, have your best spring, blah, blah. You guys can read it. Pretty sure you guys don't want me reading. So in this bag, the first thing that I got was this liquid lipstick, and I love liquid lipsticks, but I'm not sure about this one. They've been sending me pink ones, and I usually just get rid of them. This one is a soft matte lip cream from NYX. I have not tried their liquid lipsticks. I know they're really cheap, but nothing stands out to me enough to buy it. And this is in the shade Milan. It's pink, like a dark pink. I know it'll look good on me, but I have too much stuff like this already, so I haven't opened it yet. I can put up swatches for you right now that I will find on Google. Next thing is skincare, which I love. That's the only reason why I'm getting IPSY, because I can try a little sample of skincare. This is from Feel, and it's a little mask. The packaging is so cute. And this one is a self-warming clay mask, and it's pore opening and deeply cleansing. And it naturally warms skin. Okay, so you know how you put on masks and it's usually cool? Well, this one is warming. So that's like a cool concept because sometimes my face feels real cold. So I will definitely give this a try. It's just like a regular clay mask, but it's gonna be warm. Next is this coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub from Pure Elise. I rather like use it for my face. Let me read this. It says entire body. I don't want to use something that's meant for body on my face because usually body products are really harsh. That's where you're not allowed, well, you're not supposed to wash your face with hand soap because it might fuck it up because your face has different like pH thingies. And next is this nail polish from Pretty Woman and the color Girl Boss. I have this really cute pink nail polish I got from my IPSY a long time ago. And it's just like this. By the way, this kind of matches the bag, which I love, but it's like more pink. This one's like a almost purple color. I don't know how to describe the color exactly, but I'll see how this looks. And are we on the last item already? This is a blush from Steve Laurent. It comes in a box, and it says the color is I'm Blushing. I got a lip gloss from Steve Laurent last time. That was the first item, and I love it. This is more pretty than I thought. It's actually really dark, but I'm dark, so it might look good. Let me swatch it. It's almost red, but obviously I have to go in with a light hand when I'm putting this on my face. It's super pretty. I think I'm a blush person. I use it on a daily basis, but I have way too many. And this is a unique color though. I only have I have dark pink ones, but they're way different than this. This is almost red. I could probably use it as eyeshadow even, and it comes with a lip tone mirror. Alright, that was my bag of my own subscription. Next 2, they're the same. I'm not going to show everything from the bags. This is that bag. First item in here is from Philorga Paris. That's why I can't say the name. It's a smoothing radiance mask. It actually does not say how to use it on here unless someone can decipher that. I went on the website and it showed me how to use this. It's basically you put it on for a little bit, 15 minutes, and you wash it off with water. By the way, none of these items came with a seal. Next is something that I used yesterday and it makes my skin so soft and it smells so good. The name just smells really good. It's called Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. That sounds like those fancy little chocolates that come in a box. It tells you how to use it. It's cruelty free and it's from Skin & Co. I think I've gotten something from Skin & Co. before. The front and the back, and this is pretty decent sized. I don't know what I'm gonna do with two of the same brushes, but you can never have enough eye brushes. This is from Firma Beauty and this is in the Style 202, is that what brushes are called? It's an angled brush for your eyes. It's soft, it's just a regular brush. By the way, IPSY always has full-size brushes, so they don't put these in the bag, they put it in like the pink ball mailer because they usually don't fit in the bag. The fourth item in this is the Ciate Starstruck Stamp Liner. And it looks like this. I already got rid of one of them. I gave it to somebody because people are really wanting this liner, and you know how I feel about liners and IPSY and everything because I do not wear eyeliner anymore, and every time they send it to me I usually rant about it. But this one is pretty cool because one side is a stamp of a little star and then the next side is a liner. My cat wants me to play with her so bad. She keeps making noises. I was saying this liner is not my thing. I would want to use a little star side just to have like a little star sometime. But I don't want to keep the whole thing just to use it once, so I'm giving this to somebody. I just wanted to mention in the video because it was in the bag. Last item in here is something I didn't expect it to be. I knew it was going to be an eyeshadow in the shade Copper, and this is from Meek and Mia. Meek, I think Meek and Mia, or Meek and Mia? Whatever it is. I think it's an Australian company. And this right here is so cool. So when I first got this bag, I played around with it. I could leave a swatch up here that I originally did. So I am gonna try to apply this as highlight and see how that works in case you guys aren't interested in loose pigment eyeshadows. Let me just get some out. It does come with a little seal right there. It looks like gold. It doesn't even feel like a powder eyeshadow because to me powder eyeshadows usually come off. But this one, it looks like it's wet and it's staying on my hand. And I bet you it's not gonna come off till I wash it. I love gold highlights, and for some people this might be too dark, but it is an eyeshadow in a copper color. So you guys can use it as eyeshadow. By the way, let me know if you got this and if you love it as much as I do, because I've been obsessed with it and I'm like dripping it everywhere. Okay, so this brush is coated in highlight eyeshadow. Glad I have two of these. That was my two bags technically, since it's the same stuff. Let me know what you got in your IPSY in case you decide that you really want to try out a free bag. Let me know down below and we could set up a way that you can send me your email and I could give you a free bag if IPSY decides to send me more invites. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed seeing what people get, I know I got the same stuff in one bag, but it's me. I took the same little quiz that they ask you about yourself and what kind of makeup you like, etc. I try to choose different things, but they decided to send me the same ones. Let me know what you guys got, what your favorite item from this month was, and I will see you in my next one. I've been wanting to do a clothing haul from Fashion Nova and this other company that I got bikinis from, but my spring break is over, so I don't know when that'll be happening. But I do have a cool video idea. I'll be talking and naming baby food, trying baby food out after 19 years, see how it tastes like and see what kind of stuff I was fed back then. So if you're interested in that, give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys want to see that, and I'll go buy some baby food and I'll eat it for you. Bye guys, and thank you so much for watching.